Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn some daily used most common English questions. They are frequently used when speaking English. You cannot speak English without knowing these. So, you must learn these questions. Any questions? Any questions? Anything else? Anything else? Are those yours? Are those yours? Are we prepared? Are we prepared? Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Are you alright? Are you alright? Are you sisters? Are you sisters? Are you there? Are you there? Are you worried? Are you worried? Can I eat? Can I eat? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Can I work here? Can I work here? Can we keep it? Can we keep it? Can you breathe? Can you breathe? Did you call? Did you call? Did you speak? Did you speak? Do you eat meat? Do you eat meat? Do you hate me? Do you hate me? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Do you have time? Do you have time? Do you live here? Do you live here? Do you understand? Do you understand? Doesn't it work? Doesn't it work? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? How are you? How are you? How deep? How deep? How much is it? How much is it? How much is that? How much is that? How old are you? How old are you? How old is he? How old is he? How old is Ram? How old is Ram? How old is that? How old is that? How should I know? How should I know? How tall are you? How tall are you? Is anybody here? Is anybody here? Is anybody home? Is anybody home? Is anybody there? Is anybody there? Is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is he a doctor? Is he a doctor? Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? Is he American? Is he American? Is it here? Is it here? Is it near here? Is it near here? Is Sana satisfied? Is Sana satisfied? Is she dreaming? Is she dreaming? Is Sid here? Is Sid here? Is somebody there? Is somebody there? Is Sunny home? Is Sunny home? Is Sunny well? Is Sunny well? Is that all? Is that all? Is that blood? Is that blood? Is that so? Is that so? Is that your book? Is that your book? Is the book boring? Is the book boring? Is the leg deep? Is the lake deep? Is this book yours? Is this book yours? Is this Ram's book? Is this Ram's book? Is this your book? Is this your book? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.